That's been chilling in water for even longer. Hello, welcome back. So I am filming at night right now actually because I've been working on something for a few days and I'm still getting the hang of it. But it is creating a VRChat avatar, and I've also always wanted to learn Blender. That's what I'm doing it in. And this is like what I have so far. I've done this like multiple times and restarted multiple times. Like this is day 3 of working on it or trying to learn it, and I am learning a lot, which is a good thing. This is way better than the donuts tutorial because this way I get something out of it. The donut tutorial, you just get a donut. But also, I don't know if you guys have seen this channel going around on YouTube called Momo Scoops. So the whole thing is that you order a lucky scoop thing. You can either pick 1, 2, 3, or 8 or whatever, and you get a bunch of stationery. And I may have ordered a scoop. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First off are the pens. I actually really like these pens. I got a purple one, a Labubu one. I love Labubus, so I'm really happy about this. And then I got this cute cow multicolor pen. Honestly, the ranking of how they rate, this one is a pretty good pen. This one I'd rate second, and then this one is third. But I love these so much. And unfortunately, they didn't have any silver jewelry, so I got gold, and I am not a gold girly because I am a cool skin tone. So I know my medals. But like the bracelet, it's still cute. I just don't know if I'd ever wear it. My sister and mom didn't really care for it, so. And I also got this cute little pear sticky note pad thing. And I'm surprised I didn't get any squishies because usually every order you get 1 squishy at least, and I didn't get any, which is good. I didn't want any squishies. But I got these cute little capybara like keychains. They're the cutest thing ever. Them all being used on something right now. I got these stickers. Pretty like aquatic stickers of like jellyfish. But yeah, should I do a time lapse of trying to do this? Honestly, probably not, because I'm trying to figure out how to put the clothes on her. And she is a little nude. I don't want to get demonetized, but yeah. I'm trying to work on getting clothes on her. We're gonna do like a gothic inspired outfit. But we're not gonna be doing any upside down crosses or pentagrams, like none of that. I just like texture and dark colors. Let's work on her. This is what I'd be looking like while I'm doing it. I'm literally just staring right here. I'm just going back because I also have the tutorial right there. I think I'm doing really good because last time I tried to do the hoodie, the strings weren't attached. But now I think I have everything good. I might try to add the shoes, and then the hair, and then the jewelry. Honestly, I should probably save this right now for like a backup. It's 11:35. I've been working on this all day. This is like the 3rd or 4th day I've worked on this. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Okay, my camera's at 2%. I don't know how much time I have, but I'm gonna be repotting some plants. Whoa. That just came up to me. But I have some plants that I need to pot up. I have this pothos that's been chilling in water for like a long time. And then I have this philodendron that's been chilling in water for even longer. Cups. I have a small one for the philodendron and a big one for the pothos. To mix our soil. And I use like a little Frankenstein mix of stuff. So the camera died. But what I was saying is that my mixture is like 1 part soil, 1 part perlite, and then like a little handful of earthworm castings to promote root growth. I actually don't pot them outside anymore. I don't know who I brought the plants out, probably just to show you guys. But what I do, I get some filtered water because hard water is not good for plants. Fill my cup up all the way. And then since this is brand new soil, I got this fertilizer. This stinks so much, but it works. I literally do for like this much, like a couple drops. Wow, what a difference wiping the camera can make. I get my water. Oh, I should probably stir it up. And then I just put this in there so it can soak up all the water. And then whenever the cup is full of like water dirt, the dirt's movable because it's all wet and waterlogged, then I get my propagations and I put it in there and kind of like move it along so it's a gentle repot transfer. And I do this for all my propagations. It's peroxide and water solution, and it helps to get rid of fungus gnat stuff. Look at those roots. Push it in there. Use my other finger, of course. Like, once it's in there how I like it, I take this out, then all the drained water will keep it in place. That sound, it's so weird. Now where am I gonna put it? That's the question. That works. And now let's do the next one. And since this is a smaller pot and it's gonna like fall in there, I have to be like a little careful. Got the little cup in here now, waterlogged. Got our first little prop. Our second larger one. Pull it out so it can drain and stay in place. I'm definitely gonna have to wipe off my desk. I don't have anything protecting it, but do I care? No. Should I? Probably. I got a little philodendron all potted up. Let's go put this in the windowsill. Ah, dude. Dirt all over me. Dirt water. There we go. Right there behind my monitor. This is my little plant station for the best light. Oh, and then I got a money plant from Walmart, and I thought it was gonna be good, but then like the leaves started getting like transparent and weird, even though I was taking care of it. So I chopped like most of the leaves off and I put it in water so I could kind of like restart. I got some roots. It's going nicely. And a little bit of the fertilized water. This is, I don't even know what to call it. I just put water in a old candle container with some rocks to try to get some humidity in here for my Thai constellation plant. Needs a little bit of humidity, so that's why I have that there, so I can soak up all the water in the air. I also put earrings on my plant, and I actually think it's cute. I also have lights. I think the battery's dead. And then that's a Wendy's spoon. I thought it was cute, so I just put it in there for decor. Dang, look at those roots. She's shining through. Guess who's filming during the day? Me. So it's been a few days since my last clip, and I've been working a lot more on avatar creation for VR, and I've improved so much. Like, this is what my first avatar looked like a week ago, not even, a few days ago. And then this is what my avatar looks like now. Two separate files, but I love this one way more, and this is what it looks like currently in VR. She's so pretty. I love it so much. The hair flows so effortlessly. The outfits are so cute. I have a basic sweater outfit and then a prom dress, or just an elegant formal dress outfit. I'm still learning how to do all this because I need to make the sword glow in only certain parts of it. So I might need to search up a tutorial for that. But I've learned so much in like a week, and I can now make an avatar in less than a day if I don't do too much on it, like a basic avatar. So impressed with myself.
I tried to learn it twice, and I gave up because the donut tutorial was sucky.
Oh yeah, and then apparently whenever I was trying to put my shade down, I accidentally broke my plane off. So I'm probably gonna like cut it like right there or there and just put it in water and try to grow more plants. But yeah, this needs to be put in water before it gets wilty. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys some other time. Bye.